I know you want to move to the Carolinas, but did you really have to squat her truck already?
Hello, it's Tyler with Rusty Claim Garage, and right now we're making a questionable marketplace pickup. Actually bought this a month ago, and it is potentially going to be the 2026 Poverty Tour rig. It's a 1989 Chevy Suburban that is completely taken apart with a seized engine. So we're on our way now to pick up the car trailer from the rental place and head to pick up the Suburban. All right, ready?
Yeah. There it is.
All right. You might have to just sit on this unbolted seat to hit some brakes.
Okay. Right now?
Yeah. But I'm gonna pull it out of parts. All right, so here you can see us kind of getting ready to figure out how we're gonna get this thing loaded onto the trailer. We did find out that the Suburban actually has no brakes at all. Well, it has a little bit of resistance when you push the pedal, but it really wasn't stopping it. It was slowing it down a little bit, but I had to take that cement block and throw it in front of the tire every foot or so we could slow it down so it wouldn't gain too much momentum and push the trailer into the truck, push the truck into the road, etc. I also had to take it out of park and put it into park using a set of vice grips on the side of the transmission. So it was fun, to say the least.
Oh yeah.
She's moving.
You want to sit on the brakes, make sure they stop.
All right, it's taking us some time to get it on the trailer, but we're inching it forward, stopping it, inching it forward. We're gonna get it on soon and be out.
Around the down on both of these things. See, you've got, if you want to do, you want to get one tied down here, one tied down on the other side, and then you can use one
Was up there.
for the back of each for the front of each string, no problem. You have the, yeah, I got the clip.
All right, so Suburban's loaded up, pushing the limits of the trailer hitch on the F-150. But if you look back there, it's on there, looming behind us, just feet away from the back window. So we got it strapped down on all four corners. Is Chris was his name?
Yes.
Yeah, Chris, the homeowner, helped us load it up. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to load it. Jesse, Sean, and Steven are gonna meet us at the house. We'll get this thing unloaded. Yay!
I helped.
2 hours later. Yeah. Driving through and showing the neighbors what kind of bullshit I'm bringing home this weekend.
Yo, what bullshit you bringing home this weekend?
Yeah, let's not hit some tree. Oh, okay.
So if I were to take a pee, just anywhere? There's a bathroom inside. The dog's gonna jump all over you, or you can use anywhere that's secluded. Just like out here? Yeah. Gotta get the springtime air in there. Nice and good. Get it running. That's not normal.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
That's probably more better. Always does that the first time. Supercharger? Whiny loose belt. And AC condenser. I just tell people it's a supercharger.
This thing zooms in a lot. Hey,
There.
supercharger.
Little camera.
No, it's Tyler's recording phone for his video. Your new phone. I have the 1920s video camera.
Was that
I don't know, you gave it
SE?
maybe. No, not even, dude. This is gonna be like the 6, right? 5.
Maybe.
Oh, it's cold, huh? Cold, eh?
Oh, it's cold out here.
It's cold out.
Oh, fuck. Look at the squat on that. I think belongs down south. I know you want to move to the Carolinas, but did you really have to squat your truck already?
New project?
Yeah. You know, you finished one and bought 2 more.
That's true.
It's doubled it up. Yeah.
Mine wasn't running when I got it. I was running it just.
Yeah, but that's nice.
Like 10 seconds. And, it's just a King's fuel line. Hard left. 3. Stop. Hard right again.
Damn, the science, huh? Sure is.
Stop. You're gonna hit the well. Yep, they work. Okay, let go. Tyler, straighten the wheel. Left and right. You gotta go left. Driver. Too much. Good. You're gonna scrub on the trailer. Okay. Not bad. You're going for a ride, buddy. Oh, make sure. A little bit driver. Nope. Straighten it out, Tyler. Okay. You keep turning, you're gonna fall off the ramp. No, keep it straight. Yep, that's good. You're gonna ride the other ramp. On the other side. Other side's on.
Ish.
Halfway on.
Yeah, he's like halfway on the ramps at this point.
Don't turn the wheel. Don't turn the wheel.
Do you guys feel like it's slowly falling off?
The sidewall's probably collapsing.
I think it's falling right now. I would just move out of the way. Something we can do. How about this?
Okay, we'll get there.
Better?
You want this? Oh, yeah. Get that later.
Don't
Perfect. Is it weird? Right behind the wheel. On the ground.
get squished.
Squeeze under.
When we make a ramp.
Minty.
There we go. Custom ramp.
Come on.
Custom ramp.
Come on. Forget about it.
It's fine.
Now what?
We gotta push back there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah, brakes.
Squeeze.
Good thing I lost all that weight.
I was gonna say, this is why you for this
Glam accessories.
That was the ramp they built.
Oh, nice.
Because you were off the ramp, sir.
That's okay.
So we made one.
So if we let it come forward a little bit after,
Yep. We'll
and
straighten it out.
straighten it out, and then
And
push
then
it
push it
straight
back.
back with the clamp.
It'll work.
Thank you guys.
I was gonna say, you didn't bother putting the ramp in yet. Like, pull it up. Pull the trailer forward, and then we'll spill the ramp.
All right.
It is a bit of a rock.
Yep.
And it is roll.
Yep.
Sure did.
Yes, you did hear it. You got no mirror. How'd you get it ready? Are the blocks still there? Are there some jobs still underneath the front? No, we kicked them out. Oh, you did? Okay. Watch your brother. Make sure you keep pressure or that tire's gonna fall out. The screws are coming out, Tyler. It's the right tire, old sort of.
It's fine. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. How much? I can't see the trailer. How much further do you think you need? Whatever I need.
All right. Well, it's rainy. It's shitty out. But she's home. She's parked. Sean, Steven, and Jesse left. Appreciate them a whole bunch for helping me out. Chris and Allie, I think it is, over where I picked up the Suburban from, really helped me out. Especially Chris getting it loaded. Allie gave me a great deal on it. Honestly, I paid $400 for this thing. And pretty soon we'll get in here and we'll go through it all. But it is just, there's new parts, old parts, anything that was taken off and put in there. It's pretty much all in there. So we're gonna have some fun with this thing, but first things first, we're finishing that. And when that's done, we have another small project to get done, and then it's straight on to the Poverty Tour rig. What the Poverty Tour is, for those of you who don't follow Dalton and Pole Barn Garage, basically you just take your low dollar cars. I believe try to keep it under $5,000. Older, big vehicles too. They has a special class, I guess, coming up this year for the longer stuff, the boats. You know, the boats. But I'm planning on driving this because some of the kids might come with us. Hopefully the dogs. So we're gonna be working on finishing this up and taking on the Poverty Tour. The Poverty Tour is basically going from Joplin, Missouri, all the way across to, I think, California this time, across Route 66, seeing everything you can on the way out. We're gonna have a little bit more of a haul because we have to start out in New Hampshire first and go down to Joplin. I don't know how the logistics are going to work because it looks like they're scheduling the Poverty Tour for the last week of my kids' school. So we're going to have to figure that out. Thing is sweet. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. What you think we're going to do to this, you can leave that underneath if you have any ideas.
send me a message. Whatever. See you guys next time. Bye.